Heist. A planned robbery, especially from a bank or store. They wore masks during the heist. The thieves planned a heist at the bank. Jab. A quick poke or a small injection, like a vaccine. The nurse gave me a jab in the arm. The kid cried after the jab. Secure. Safe and protected. My house is secure at night. The money is kept in a secure place. Poisonous. Something that can hurt or kill you if you eat it, drink it, or touch it. The poisonous gas made people sick. A poisonous spider bit him. Attire. Clothes, especially nice or special clothes. Their attire was clean and stylish. She wore beautiful attire to the wedding. Dispute. An argument or fight using words. The dispute was about money. There was a dispute between two friends. Dubious. Not sure or doubtful about something. I am dubious about going out in the rain. She gave me a dubious answer. Quake. To shake or tremble. His hands quaked from fear. He quaked with cold in the snow. Barren. A place that has no plants, trees, or life. The desert is barren and dry. The land was barren with no trees. Summit. The top of a mountain. The view from the summit was beautiful. We reached the summit after a long climb.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!